Hello everyone, today I am going to make dry fruits and moringa smoothie. So for that I have taken one banana, and first I chopped the banana and put it into the blender, and then I have taken half an apple, chopped the apple, put it in the blender, and after chopping the apple I have taken the dry fruits. So here for dry fruits I have taken cashews, almonds, walnuts and dates, and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is good for our health, and half a teaspoon of moringa, which is very good for our health. It has all the micronutrients. Add water and blend it together, and now pour it into a glass, and also you can garnish it with some chopped dry fruits. It's ready.